Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Grateful Living Cruises. We are on day 2 of our Celebrity Edge Alaskan cruise 7-night adventure, and we are starting our morning off right with breakfast here at the Celebrity Edge buffet area, and a little bit of a late start. We stayed up pretty late last night, and I apologize. I did not finish the video last night off. We ended up, completely forgot to do video of the dessert, but we ended up having cheesecake, and my mom had the apple pie a la mode. And then my partner had the carrot cake, which is, I guess, unique to the Cosmo restaurant that we were at last night for the main dining. And I just didn't even video it. So it's so different when you're used to cruising solo and all of a sudden you have your family with you and you're trying to like spend time with your family, but also like get content for YouTube videos. So I was trying to be present with my family, but also get content. So anyway, it's a little different, but I promise you guys, I'm going to make sure I have plenty of content from this Alaskan adventure for you guys. So this morning I'm actually at breakfast alone. My partner is at the gym, and mom wasn't quite ready to get up and about this morning. So I'm still a little later than normal. You know, I normally roll out of bed bright and early so I can get to the buffet first thing in the morning, so I can give you guys a tour of the buffet on the first sea day when it's not busy. But I wasn't able to get here that early this morning, so it's already busy. But I promise I'm going to get a video of this buffet area before the end of the trip. I just don't like to do it when it's really busy, you know, because people get kind of weird and like they just don't like that. So I don't like to intrude on people, and you really don't get a great view of everything that the buffet has to offer when you know, there's so many people around, you can't really get a good view. So I'm going to get up really early one morning like I normally do when I cruise, and I'm going to make sure to get some good clips of the Ocean View Cafe, which is the buffet here on the Celebrity Edge Ocean View Cafe. But anyway, so this morning I'm just going to have a quick breakfast, and it is a sea day and it is very foggy outside. There is a aft view seating area on the back of the buffet area, like they had on the Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas. Remember from that video series that I loved sitting on for breakfast in the morning. But remember, we're in the Pacific Northwest, Vancouver now, Alaska, headed to Alaska. So the weather is not the same as being in the Caribbean. So I was going to sit out there, but it's kind of rainy and very foggy. You can't really see. So I'm sitting basically on the back of the ship, so you can kind of see out there, but I'm sitting next to the glass. So anyway, I'm kind of out there, but not really. So anyway, I am going to have breakfast, and then they have some talks. So the unique thing about Alaskan cruises and what Celebrity Edge has to offer is they have what's called Beyond the Podium talks. So different speakers and different video series, because they have that theater with the huge video screens that come in and they give you different topics about where you're heading. So they have different things about Alaska, about the wildlife, etc., etc. So I'm really excited to go experience some of those today, and I will bring you guys along for that as well. I'm actually going to miss one of them because it's starting right now. But I may try to pop in a little bit later and just, see if it's still going. But anyway, so we're gonna do that, and then we'll see what else we get into, and I definitely will bring you guys along for the ride. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get this day started. Hi, I'm Scott. Thank you for coming to my channel. This channel is dedicated to all things cruises and living life with gratitude. We're going to talk about cruise reviews. We're going to talk about the ships. We're going to talk about the overall experiences on these cruises. We're going to talk about traveling solo, traveling as a big guy, and all sorts of other things. My hope is that you are able to find some value in the content that I'm providing, and if so, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos that I produce. So, here's to our journey together, Grateful Living Cruises. Now let's get right into it. After breakfast, I came over and watched this destination history with Mary Amanda. These talks on Alaskan cruise ships are absolutely phenomenal. Definitely go check these out while you're on your cruise. You'll get all kind of information and history about the ports that you're going to go to by people who actually know what they're talking about. True historians. Fantastic. All right, guys, so we are it's about noon on day 2 of our journey here on the Celebrity Edge on our way to Alaska, and we are in some interesting conditions here. I know you will not be able to really tell on the video, but these waves are pretty massive. You can tell how dark the clouds are and how foggy and rainy it is. Like the video, you just cannot tell. But guys, these waves are big. These may be some of the biggest waves I've ever been in. And as you know, I cruise a lot. But these are definitely, look, it is crazy. Some of the waves, like these have to be, I don't know how big these are, but I wish that the videos could do justice to how big these waves are. There's no doing justice to how big these waves are in the background behind me, but it is pretty wicked looking for sure. Like, look, even all the crew members are coming to look out. All the chefs and the crew members are coming to look out. That's how crazy it is. But yeah, so anyway, here we are experiencing these crazy conditions here on the Celebrity Edge, and yeah, I'm kind of here for it. I really enjoy this kind of weather. My family maybe not so much, but yeah, it's kind of crazy. But yeah, I just thought I would check in. I'm getting ready to go to bingo here in just a little bit. But the ships are rocking. So after this and before dinner, I went to the Humpback Whales talk. Another great historian and scientist who was on the ship. Guys, you have to go check these things out. Now at dinner, as you see here, I had some brie for an appetizer, and since I'm with my family on this trip, I didn't want to interrupt their time by talking and taking too much video. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys what we had. This pasta with the shrimp was absolutely amazing. I honestly could have gone back for seconds on this one, but I didn't. My mom got some salmon, which she actually really enjoyed, and it came on a cute little bed of potatoes. So funny. She actually really enjoyed it though. And then my partner got a beef Wellington type thing, and he said it was really good as well. Overall, so far, this has been phenomenal. After dinner, we went to the show. My mom went to bed, but Colin Barkle, he's kind of like a Johnny Cash impersonator, but also a tap dancer or a river dancer. So he does a really unique show that you'll see here in a few minutes. And he's tapping, he's singing. Like, I mean, this man is nonstop the whole time. Very talented. And yeah, here's a few clips for you to check out.